Warning, my first rental property looked like a total dud on paper, and honestly, it was the smartest bad investment I ever made. Forget the hype about instant cash flow from day one. So many new investors get completely paralyzed, chasing a tiny $100 profit on their first deal, terrified of any red ink. Here's the real talk. Your first property is rarely about getting rich quick. It's your entry ticket into the real game. It's about breaking the seal. That apparent loss, that was my tuition. I encountered the tenant who thought no pets was a friendly suggestion, leading to a deep dive into lease clauses. I learned the hard way about surprise foundation issues the inspector somehow missed, teaching me who to trust and what to triple check. I figured out how to screen applicants so thoroughly that future nightmares became rare, building a repeatable process. These weren't just headaches, they were critical lessons that no book or seminar could ever truly replicate. That paper loss, often a result of smart tax strategies like depreciation, actually became an advantage, believe it or not. While others were still stuck in analysis paralysis, crippled by fear, I was building a track record with lenders, learning property management systems, and understanding local market dynamics firsthand. That first failure wasn't a setback. It was the crucible that forged my entire investment strategy, teaching me what not to do, how to build a team, and how to structure the big wins that came later. So stop sweating the small stuff on your first deal. That small initial loss is often the rock bottom price of admission to long-term wealth building.